I am broken, but I'm not defeated. The sun will shine again. This might be my stormy season. And every time I try to look up, more rain come, more earthquake come, more tsunami come. I lost my YouTube channel totally now. You all know that. I don't have a YouTube channel anymore. I don't have none of the content in my possession at this time. All that I have fought for, all of the people who have defended, all the people who have spoken on behalf of, I better them they just take all of the money and leave me with my content. I feel so broken for all the people who have defended and stood up for the 17 million people who have viewed me over the 1 year and odd. I feel broken. I really don't feel like I want to ever come back. The trauma that I feel from hearing the name social media or YouTube, I become bitter. I become toxic when I hear the name YouTube. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to see it. I only play gospel songs on YouTube. I don't watch anybody's content. After they have taken my YouTube, now I'm seeing where I have to be paying for damages in a defamation lawsuit. My attorney will respond as she normally does. My attorney never gave up on me, and I'm not giving up on my attorney. They said that I ignored it, the claim. Well, I will say nothing until my attorney speaks to me. So in this time, Jamaica, if you don't see me on social media, leave me alone. I'll come on when I want to come on, but I don't want to come on. I start to hate the word social media. Not that I hate the people, but what social media has done to me, I don't think I can ever get over it that quickly. I'll have to go through some therapy. Social media mash up me. It mash up my show. It mash up my relationships. It mash up friendships. So I'm going to take a break from it. I have no more time giving you all my energy. Thanks to everybody who love me and pray for me. I will do what I can, but for now, leave me, make me heal. One after the next, after the next, after this. My life coming like a big scandal. Every week is something else. When does it stop? When does it stop? Every week it's another drama attached to Andre Stevens' name. When does it stop? When does it stop? When it's not the producer, it's somebody else. When it's not this, it's somebody else. His lawsuit is this, is that. When does it stop? I am tired. I'm tired. I want a break. I want a mental break. I'm jealous of no one. I'm envious of no one. I mean everybody good. Andre Stevens, is going to make it stop now. I'm going to make it stop now. are going to take control of my life before I am suicidal or before I just take my life and erase my life. Before the spirit of suicide comes to my life, I'm going to take control of my life. Because mental health is real. I say when you not just a poke a bear, a poke somebody, there's one day to go on to stop get the poking. I'm one person. Shelly Quran, you know about mental health, but you will never stop. So, I stop Shelly Quran. So when will you stop? I stop Wayne Forbes. When will you stop? To everybody who I have offended, I have now stopped. Will you stop? Me stop, me sit down. Me sit down now. Me sit down. Me sit down. Me go take some break. And me go rest. Only give me some break now. Before me become suicidal, me just ask for one break. And me alone. Me not have no friend around me. Me not have no mother around me. Me not have no family and me alone in my house. Before me take up a knife one of the night, them and slit me throat and say me tell now. Me ask you to give me one break. Me tired. Me tired. Me really tired. Me want come back. Me want smile again. Me want to dip on YouTube and laugh and I say bangarang. Me can't even say bangarang these days. Me a beg you take me YouTube channel. You take me content. Lawsuit a come pan lawsuit. Me nah have no money, me nah have nothing. Me want go sell me little sauce them and make one little money for pay me rent a month time and can live. Me go and do the things that me normally do. Go hustle me tie them, go hustle me socks them and be by myself. Goodbye.